In this video you will know which countries are providing visa-free entry and which are providing visa on arrival to Pakistani passport holders. Passport Index recently released the list of most powerful passports in 2017, and Germany, with a score of 159, was placed first, followed by Sweden and Singapore, both placed second with 158 points. Looking only at the subcontinent countries, we find the Indian passport to be the strongest, with 48 points, followed by Sri Lanka at 38 points. Bangladesh comes next with 37 points, while Pakistan has only 27 points. The Pakistani passport, in fact, is ranked the second last in the world, above only Afghanistan with 24 points. However, there are still 27 countries that Pakistanis can visit either without visa or with visa on arrival. Dominica provides 6 months visa-free entry for Pakistani passport holders. Dominica is a mountainous Caribbean island nation with natural hot springs and tropical rainforests. Haiti provides 3 months visa-free entry for Pakistani passport holders. Haiti is a Caribbean country that shares the island of Hispaniola with the Dominican Republic to its east. Though it's still recovering from a 2010 earthquake, many of Haiti's landmarks dating to the early 19th century remain intact. Micronesia provide 30 days visa-free entry for Pakistani passport holders. The Federated States of Micronesia is a country spread across the western Pacific Ocean comprising more than 600 islands. Micronesia is made up of 4 island states, Pohnpei, Kos Riuk and Yap. The country is known for palm-shaded beaches, wreck-filled dives and ancient ruins. St. Vincent and the Grenadines provide 60 days visa-free entry for Pakistani passport holders. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is a southern Caribbean nation comprising a main island, St. Vincent, and a chain of smaller islands. With yacht-filled harbors, chic private isles and volcanic landscapes, it's known for its major sailing destinations. Trinidad and Tobago provide 30 days visa-free entry for Pakistani passport holders. Trinidad and Tobago is a dual-island Caribbean nation near Venezuela, with distinctive Creole traditions and cuisines. The smaller island of Tobago is known for its beaches and the Tobago Main Ridge Forest Reserve, which shelters hummingbirds. Vanuatu provide 30 days visa-free entry for Pakistani passport holders. Vanuatu is a South Pacific Ocean nation made up of roughly 80 islands that stretch 1,300 kilometers. The islands offer scuba diving at coral reefs, underwater caverns and wrecks. Qatar provide 30 days visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Qatar is a sovereign country located in Western Asia, occupying the small Qatar Peninsula on the northeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula. Its sole land border is with Saudi Arabia to the south, with the rest of its territory surrounded by the Persian Gulf. An arm of the Persian Gulf separates Qatar from the nearby island country of Bahrain. Qatar is one of the safest tourist destinations in the world, and tourists enjoys the opportunity to discover the hospitality, spaciousness and originality that characterizes the Arab culture of the country. Cambodia provide 3 months visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Cambodia is a Southeast Asian nation whose landscape spans low-lying plains, the Mekong Delta, mountains and Gulf of Thailand coastline. Cape Verde provide 3 months visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Cape Verde is a nation on a volcanic archipelago off the northwest coast of Africa. It's known for its Creole Portuguese African culture, traditional Morna music and numerous beaches. Comoros provide 45 days visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. The Comoros is a volcanic archipelago off Africa's east coast, in the warm Indian Ocean waters of the Mozambique Channel. The nation-state's largest island, Grand Comore is ringed by beaches and old lava from active Mount Karthala volcano. Côte d'Ivoire provide 45 days visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. The Ivory Coast has a number of interesting attractions available for sightseeing. Abidjan itself has the Parc du Banco on the outskirts of the city, where visitors can experience the rainforest's flora and fauna, and interestingly, just near the entrance to the park, is Africa's largest open-air laundrette. Inside Abidjan city is the Hotel Ivoire, once a glamorous place to stay but now left to ruin. St. Paul's Cathedral is another site within the city of Abidjan worth a visit for sightseeing tourists. Djibouti provide 45 days visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Djibouti, on the Horn of Africa, is a mostly French and Arabic-speaking country of dry shrublands, volcanic formations and Gulf of Aden beaches. It's home to one of the saltiest bodies of water in the world, the low-lying Lake Assal, in the Danakil Desert. Guinea-Bissau provide 90 days visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Guinea-Bissau is a tropical country on West Africa's Atlantic coast that's known for national parks and wildlife. Its main island, Bubak, forms part of the Orango Islands National Park, a habitat for saltwater hippos. On the mainland, the capital, Bissau, is a port with Portuguese colonial buildings in its old city centre. Kenya provide 3 months visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Kenya is a country in East Africa with coastline on the Indian Ocean. It encompasses savanna, lakelands, the dramatic Great Rift Valley and mountain highlands. It's also home to wildlife like lions, elephants and rhinos. From Nairobi, the capital, safaris visit the Masai Mara Reserve, known for its annual wildebeest migrations, and Amboseli National Park, offering views of Tanzania's 5,895 meters Mount Kilimanjaro. Madagascar provide 90 days visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Madagascar is a huge island nation off the southeast coast of Africa. It's home to thousands of animal species, such as lemurs, found nowhere else, plus rainforests, beaches and reefs. Maldives provide 30 days visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. The Maldives is a tropical nation in the Indian Ocean composed of 26 ring-shaped atolls, which are made up of more than 1,000 coral islands. It's known for its beaches, blue lagoons and extensive reefs, heaven on earth. Mauritania provide 30 days visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Mauritania, officially the Islamic Republic of Mauritania, is a country in the Maghreb region of northwestern Africa. It is the 11th largest country in Africa and is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the west, Western Sahara in the north, Algeria in the northeast, Mali in the east and southeast, and Senegal in the southwest. Mozambique provide 30 days visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Mozambique is a country in southeast Africa bordered by the Indian Ocean to the east, Tanzania to the north, Malawi and Zambia to the northwest, Zimbabwe to the west, and Swaziland and South Africa to the southwest. Nepal provide 3 months visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Nepal, officially the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal, is a landlocked central Himalayan country in South Asia. It has a population of 26.4 million and is the 93rd largest country by area. Nicaragua provide 90 days visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Nicaragua is the largest country in the Central American Isthmus, bordered by Honduras to the north, the Caribbean to the east, Costa Rica to the south, and the Pacific Ocean to the west. Nicaragua's capital, Managua, is the country's largest city and the 3rd largest city in Central America. Palau provide 30 days visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Palau, officially the Republic of Palau, is an island country located in the western Pacific Ocean. The country contains approximately 340 islands, forming the western chain of the Caroline Islands in Micronesia, and has an area of 466 square kilometers, 180 square miles. The most populous island is Koror. Samoa provides 60 days visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Samoa is a country comprising the westernmost group of the Samoan Islands, in Polynesia. Many of its islands have reef-bordered beaches and rugged, rainforested interiors with gorges and waterfalls. Seychelles provide 3 months visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. The Seychelles is an archipelago of 115 islands in the Indian Ocean, off East Africa. It's home to numerous beaches, coral reefs and nature reserves, as well as rare animals such as giant Aldabra tortoises. Tanzania provide 3 months visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Tanzania is an East African country known for its vast wilderness areas. They include the plains of Serengeti National Park, a safari mecca populated by the Big Five game, elephant, lion, leopard, buffalo, rhino, and Kilimanjaro National Park, home to Africa's highest mountain. Offshore lie the tropical islands of Zanzibar, with Arabic influences, and Mafia, with a marine park home to whale sharks and coral reefs. Timor-Leste provide 90 days visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Timor-Leste is a sovereign state in maritime Southeast Asia. It comprises the eastern half of the island of Timor, the nearby islands of Ataro and Jacko, and Ikas, an exclave on the northwestern side of the island surrounded by Indonesian West Timor. Togo provide 30 days visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Togo, a West African nation on the Gulf of Guinea, is known for its palm-lined beaches and hilltop villages. In the capital, Lomé, are the multi-story Grand Marca Bazaar and the Fetish Market, offering traditional talismans and remedies relating to the Vodun, voodoo, religion. Tuvalu provide 1 month visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Tuvalu, in the South Pacific, is an independent island nation within the British Commonwealth. Its 9 islands comprise small, thinly populated atolls and reef islands with palm-fringed beaches and weir sites. Off Funafuti, the capital, the Funafuti Conservation Area offers calm waters for diving and snorkeling among sea turtles and tropical fish, plus several uninhabited islets sheltering seabirds. Uganda provide 30 days visa on arrival for Pakistani passport holders. Uganda is a landlocked country in East Africa whose diverse landscape encompasses the snow-capped Rwenzori Mountains and immense Lake Victoria. Its abundant wildlife includes chimpanzees as well as rare birds.